Yes, today we are reading about relation and functions of class 12th. First exercise, question number second. Now, so that the relation R in that the set R of real numbers defined as A R equal to AB, A less than equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetry or nor transitive. You read about symmetry, transitive, and reflexive in the last video. Then first question, second question, first part B, R is not reflexive. Then we have, it is given that A less than equal to B square, means if we taking 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 2 square, it gives 1 by 2 1 by 4. A is not less than or equal to A square. A is not less than or equal to A square. Okay, then it is not reflexive. Second, R is not symmetry because B is not less than or equal to A square. R is not symmetry because B is not less than or equal to A square. For example 2 less than equal to 5 square, but 5 is not less than 2 square. 5 is not less than 2 square. Okay, third part will be R is not transitive because A less than equal to B square, B less than equal to C square, then A is not less than C square. Okay, question number 3. Check whether the relation R defined in the set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, the relation is that B equal to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetry or transitive. Relation is that AB belongs B equal to A plus 1. R is not reflexive. Reflexive because A does not equal to A plus 1. Second part, R is not symmetry because B does equal to A plus 1, then A does not equal to B plus 1. Symmetry, R is not transitive B equal to A plus 1, C equal to B plus 1, then C equal to does not equal to A plus 1. So that the relation R in R belongs R equal to, given that AB A less than equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetry. Now first R is reflexive. R is reflexive, replacing B by A, and A does not equal to A. It is there exists A equal to A is true. So R is not symmetry. A less than B and B less than A, which is not true. Third part, R is transitive, A less than B and B less than C, then A less than C. Okay. Today you write similarly fifth question, A less than equal to B cube are the relationship. Question number 6, reflexive but neither reflexive or not transitive. Similarly you do 10 part of this exercise. Okay, only 10 part you write today in your notebook. Thank you.